Introducing the revolutionary FitCube, the new shape of fitness. Available now on Kickstarter, FitCube brings the best of the gym to you, all in a single compact cube. No time to exercise? 10 minutes on FitCube is all you need for a serious full-body workout. Plus, you can take your gym with you wherever you go. Workouts too boring? You can do over 100 different body-transforming exercises on FitCube. Want to see results fast? The revolutionary FitCube has everything you need to get in the best shape of your life. It's the perfect plyometric platform for strength and power workouts. Flip it and use the padded 360-degree twisting seat to target and tone your core. Another flip and take your dips and push-ups to a whole new level. Pick it up, and FitCube is ideal for curls, presses, and rows. Want to get in your cardio? The FitCube comes with a built-in stepper. Combine it with the Fit resistance bands, and you'll get total body results. You can even do Pilates-type movements for flexibility and a strong and balanced body. Small footprint, serious workout, real results. To find out more, click the link to the Kickstarter FitCube page. Last early bird discounts are available now for a limited time.